This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Rhonda McLemore. This stunning 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in Hillcrest Landing features an inviting open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. The spacious family room boasts a cozy gas fireplace, while the kitchen impresses with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, a tile backsplash, and a charming breakfast area. The first floor offers a convenient bedroom and full bath, perfect for multi-generational living or office. Upstairs, the expansive primary suite includes a walk-in closet, an extra nook for added flexibility, and an ensuite with a double sink, jetted tub, and separate shower. The home is situated on a large, fenced-in yard at the end of a peaceful cul-de-sac, providing both privacy and ample space for outdoor activities. BBC -2.5% for more information.